going to record this. Okay, I think that we're okay in the stream. Excellent. So for today, okay, sorry. Okay, for today, okay, while it is loading my the page where it's loading. Well, the first activity we have to do is for next 15. Next 15. So in here it says 15 February. So that is the activity that we have to do for next Sunday. I think that is that one. No, Wednesday, maybe. So the idea is to do that on this day. What is the activity about? Well, I'm going to see it like a student just to see that everything is working well. When I see this like a student, I can see what you see basically. It says activity number 1, describe a city, and that is individual. Describe a city or a hometown. Okay. Okay, it says, I'm going to ask Nicolas. Nicolas, are you there, please? Nicolas, are you there?
Yes, teacher. You listen me.
Yes, I can listen to you loud and clear.
Okay, teacher. Okay, for the first activity, say, place change throughout the pass of the time. Your hometown is more modern than before. Now you should make a video where you show how your hometown has changed and you will describe all the changes, including the information, this information. Uh, I read the points. Okay. Describe your hometown today. Describe your hometown 5 or 10 years ago. Talk about places that were in your hometown 5 or 10 years ago. And finally, talk about activities in your hometown 5 or 10 years ago.
Okay, very good. So what is the idea? The idea is that we have to compare a city or a place, yeah, some years before and now, the comparison between what there could be in that moment and what is now. Okay, that is the idea. So we're going to start by doing those kind of comparisons. Also, what I want to show you is that okay, but it's a video. You have to screencast a video. What is a screencast? Is what I'm doing now. For example, that is to screencast, okay? And basically is that you show your screen, your face, and a kind of presentation or something like that, in which you show all the information, okay? You can use an app that is called Screencast. Maybe you used it before. Also, you can use this one that is Zoom, okay? And you can record the video and take into account those points, okay? How long is the video? No, it's not how long. Don't focus on the time that is necessary for that. Just focus on covering all the points, okay? Covering everything there. The idea is that if you mention all the topics, you're doing an excellent job. If you don't mention that, well, you need more time in order to work on that, okay? That is the idea. Okay, very good, very good. So in here, challenge 1, activity guide, you are going to see, what about this? Well, I don't know what happens in this way, but if you click on this part, I have to check that part. Aquí me toca revisar esto porque no sirve. But in here, if you click on here, you can upload your homework, ¿ok? Si le dan clic aquí, aquí sí pueden subir su tarea. Miren, aquí ya le pueden decir agregar archivo, ¿ok? Okay, just that. Any question about the homework? Or any question about the class in general? Maybe...
Profe, sí.
Okay.
es necesario utilizar una presentación para realizar pues una presentación tipo diapositivas o así, para realizar la tarea.
Not necessarily, not necessarily, but let's be clear about it. Be kind to me. I mean, when I have just the video, you presenting is not as good as when you have something like a simple picture about, I don't know, you say, okay, in the past that there was a theater and now there is a museum. Yeah. So when you say in the past there was a theater, you can show me the picture of a theater or something like that in order for me to be motivated to see your video. Yeah. Acuérdense como cuando eran chiquitos y ustedes dicen, ay, pero este libro no tiene muñequitos. Bueno, pues a veces es chévere también ponerle algo a eso. ¿Alguna otra pregunta?
Sí, profe, la actividad del Exway que está ahí para también el 15. Y el
Espere,
problema es que
Ajá.
la actividad del Exway que también para el 15, profesor. Lo que pasa es que a mí todavía no me han activado el Exway. Entonces yo fui a hablar aquí en mi campus y me dicen que todavía no lo han activado. ¿Cómo se hace ahí? ¿Da más tiempo o
Sí.
cómo?
Bueno, resulta que Dexway no se lo han activado ni a ustedes ni a mí. O sea, todos estamos en ese problema, en realidad. Entonces, pues, ¿qué les puedo decir? Nos toca esperar, no hay de otro. Nos toca esperar porque cuando esas licencias lleguen, pues yo con gusto les estaré dando más tiempo porque yo sé que ya vamos súper atrasados, ¿no? Entonces,
Profe, una
el
pregunta.
problema de eso es que se nos van a, a cruzar muchas cosas ahí. O sea, igual
Profe,
llegan tarde, nos toca acumular trabajo, no hay de otra, porque pues no es mi culpa. En realidad yo todavía estoy hasta sin correo institucional. Ustedes se dan cuenta que no lo tengo. No es porque yo quiera, sino porque no lo tengo.
profe,
Ujú.
el anterior clase que yo no pude estar, ¿hicieron algo o que se hizo más que todo?
Sí, claro, hicimos muchas cosas. De hecho, yo dejé las grabaciones de la clase en... ¿Ustedes se acuerdan dónde la dejé? ¿Alguien le puede contar al compañero dónde está la grabación de la clase?
En campus.
En campus están las grabaciones, sí.
¿Se hizo alguna
Profe,
actividad?
Sí,
profe, buenas noches. Espero que esté muy
buenas
bien y a los
noches.
compañeros también. Profe, mira que la señal está muy fluctuante, profe. No he podido conectar bien, se me está cayendo mucho. Yo creo que es que porque acá en Pereira está lloviendo demasiado, muchísimo, muchísimo.
Oh,
Entonces, no sé, profe, paciencia. Yo me había conectado y se estaba explicando esa actividad, pero volvió y se cayó y así, pues acá intentándole con los datos. No sé si usted me podría ayudar ahí, o no sé qué era lo que está explicando en el momento que yo vi como, o un compañero, no sé, le agradezco.
igual está la grabación. Todo esto está quedando grabado. Entonces después revisa la grabación, ¿vale? Sí,
Dale.
vale, sí, después revisa la grabación y ya no tengo que repetirlo todo. De hecho, miren, yo no me puedo conectar en este computador y me tocó cambiar, por eso entré un poquitico tarde y aquí estoy pasando unos archivos de mi clase porque lamentablemente no sé qué pasó con mi otro computador, la señal, en fin, pero bueno, la idea es darle soluciones a todo. No, ok, cualquier cosa, ustedes saben que ahí está la grabación en campus. ¿Alguna otra pregunta?
Profe, una pregunta.
Dímelo.
¿El video eh, tiene algunos minutos de, ¿cómo decirlo? Como especiales o algo así?
Sí,
O son libres?
lo que les acabé de decir, no se enfoquen tanto en cuánto tiempo, o sea, eso se los dije en inglés, pero se los aclaro, no se enfoquen tanto en cuánto tiempo es el video, sino en cubrir los puntos. La idea con esta clase hoy es que cubran, o sea, darles las herramientas para que cubran los puntos, ¿vale? Entonces, a mí no me interesa, no sé qué es esto, a mí no me interesa, después miro esto. No me interesa que el tiempo, no me interesa decirles un video de 5, 3, 4, no. A mí me interesa es que cubran los puntos y que lo hagan de manera lógica y completa, ¿no? O sea, en un minuto no van a sacar esto bien hecho. ni en minuto y medio. O sea, eso hay que hablarlo mejor y si lo hacen con imagen y todo bien bonito, pues la cosa es distinta, ¿vale? Ok. ¿Alguna otra pregunta? ¿No? Ya podemos arrancar. Okay, people, so let's start. So the idea is that we're going to cover these points. This is not my computer, so I'm trying to get accustomed to this computer. Okay, so be patient to me, really. I don't know what happened here. I thought I was in my what? In campus, but I thought I was in campus. So the idea is to cover all the topics that we have in here, okay? So the idea is to compare things. Let's start working with there is and there are, or there was and there were, and we're going to practice some things in class, okay? Feel free to be to talk and to make mistakes and all of those kind of things, okay? So no problem. Okay. I'm trying to fix in here as far as I can. Okay, so let's start in here working with there was and there were, or there is and there are. You know the meaning of there is and there are. I hope so. I hope you have the idea of there is and there are. Is that I have to, I don't know why I have, okay, as I mentioned it to you, this is not my computer, but well. Okay, so we're going to start in here with this. It says, we have a train station, okay? Let's focus on that. And we have the time for the trains. Can you see my screen? I don't know. If you don't see, don't listen or something like that, please ask me, okay? Say, hey, teacher, can you see my screen? Yeah? ¿Pueden ver mi pantalla?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So if you see in here, we have some times. We have the trains at 9, at 10, at 11, at 12, and at 1. And the time, what is the time now? According to this watch. What is the time? It's like 11:15 or something like that. Yeah, most probably. Okay, so
Yes.
there is a train every hour. Yeah, 9, 10, 11, 12, there is a train every hour. The time now is 11:15. Yeah, so is 11:15, no problem. Okay, so there was a train at 11 o'clock. Yeah, so this is in present. Yeah, this is in present, and this one is in past. In past, okay? This is present and this is past. There is a train every hour. Hay un tren cada hora. There was a train at 11. Hubo un tren a las 11. Okay? Hubo un tren a las 11. Okay, so that is the idea, to talk about the present and the past in this case, okay? Let's see more comparisons. So we have there is and there are. This is in present, and there was and there were. This is in past, okay? If you want, cuando quieran, ustedes tomen de pantallazos a estas cosas, ya que ustedes no toman apuntes como en un cuaderno o algo así, pero sí pueden ir tomando pantallazos para que después la cosa les quede más fácil. Tomarán sus apuntes a punto de pantallazos, ¿ok? Yo lo solía hacer en Teams, pero aquí no puedo mandar pantallazos por el chat. Okay, so there is and there are. In this case, I'm going to ask a person to help me. For example, Natalia. Natalia, are you there?
Hola, profe.
Hello, Natalia. I'm very happy to listen to you. Natalia, can you read the first sentence in here? There is.
Profe, me repite.
Read this one, please. Léela, por favor. Read this one.
La primera, ¿sí?
Yes, that one.
There is a good film on the tuning.
Excellent. There is a good film on TV tonight. There is now is in present tonight. But in here, we have the past. There was a good film on TV last night. Okay, that is in past. There was. Let's ask another person, for example, Lady Zúñiga. Lady, can you read the next one, please? This one. No, Lady Zúñiga, are you there? Ah, yeah.
Sí, profe.
Okay, I can listen to you. Continue.
We are studying at a very big hotel. There are 20
250.
rooms.
250
They
rooms.
have 250 rooms.
Okay, continue with the next one in past.
We stayed at a very big hotel. There were 120 rooms.
Okay, so in here we are talking about the present and we say there are 250 rooms. There are, and in here we say there were 250 rooms in past, okay, because we stayed, that is in past. Okay, when we talk about this, we have to make the difference between singular, only one thing, and plural, more than one. I mean, there is a good film is only one. Yeah, there was a good film is only one. There are 250 rooms, a lot of things, many things. There were 250 rooms. In past, there were. Entonces, there is y there was es para una cosa. There are and there were es para varias cosas. Okay? Okay. Just try to practice this on, let me see if I can show you something to practice. For example, okay, excellent. This one was the exercise that I want. This one is the, oh, okay, excellent. So in the first one, we have affirmative, negative, and question. Okay, in the affirmative, only one thing because we're talking about a giraffe. We say there wasn't is in negative, no había. Okay, that is no había. There were is for many things, o sea, there were es para muchas cosas en negativo. Estos cuando va al contrario son pregunta, ok, se vuelven pregunta. O sea, estos dos es cuando haya pregunta y estos de aquí, dependiendo si es una cosa, varias cosas, afirmativo, negativo. Aquí nos dice que es afirmativo, affirmative, negative, and question. Is a giraffe, so is, there was. Negative, what do you think is the negative?
There was not.
Excellent, there wasn't. There wasn't a zebra. No zebras, it's only a giraffe. And in the question,
Was there?
Was there?
excellent, very good, very good. You are today very good at this. Let me ask, for example, Carol Seshi, Carol, the next one, please. Carol? No, Carol is not in class. No. Lady Chamorro, lady. No microphone. I know that. I know that. Okay. Mauricio Tamayo.
Sí, profe.
Mauricio, what do you think is in here? There was, there wasn't, there were, there weren't, was there, were there.
There were.
In the next one, Mauricio.
Pero pregunta.
No, it's negative. It's not a question. A question has the question mark at the end. Las preguntas llevan signo de interrogación al final.
There weren't.
Okay. And in here, mister.
Were there.
Okay. Okay, very good. We're going to see in a minute, okay? Mauro.
Yes, teacher.
Mauro, can you help me with this one? A mermaid is this woman that was half fish and half fish and half a beautiful woman. Okay, so what do you think is there wasn't, there were, there weren't, was there, were there? Is affirmative and is singular.
There was.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. Pero negativa.
In negative, yeah.
There weren't.
There weren't. Okay.
Yes.
And questions?
Was there? Was there?
Was there anywhere? Okay, thank you very much. Let's ask another person, for example, Paola Avila. Paola. Paulita. Avila.
Yes, I a lot of fish. Is singular or plural?
Is singular or plural? Okay, that is a very good question because a lot of means.
¿Se me escucha bien?
Yes. Yes, a lot of means muchos. That is the meaning of a lot of, okay? Fish, we have 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4 fish, 5 fish, 6 fish is the same word, okay? For singular and plural.
En affirmative sería there were.
Okay, very good.
Negative is there was. Sí.
And finally, the question is?
This is was there?
Okay, we're going to check, okay? Let's check. Oh, we have one problem. We have one problem. Let's see what is the problem. Okay, the first one, the giraffe, no problem. The zebra, no problem. The lion, no problem. Everything was okay, but the problem was in here. What's the problem in here, people? Does anybody know about this problem in here?
Plural.
It's plural.
Children is plural.
Yeah, children is plural. So we say 1 child, 2 children, 3 children, 4 children, 5 children, and so on. So it is like this. Check again. Yeah, we're there. Okay. Okay, very good. Let's go back in here. So remember, we were talking about present and past. As you see in here, we have the questions. Are there any children? Were there any letters? For me yesterday, and the negative, and of course the negative, okay? Any questions up to now? ¿Alguna pregunta hasta aquí?
No.
Okay, excellent. You are experts. Okay, now let's move in here. So as we're going to compare things, okay, let me see my plan. I have the plan of my class in here. I discovered module. I discovered 2. So I'm going to look for, this is the material that I use because I consider that is good in order to explain some things that I need to explain, okay? That is like my presentation. So I think that is this one, excellent. So we're going to focus on places of cities, okay? Places or a hometown. I'm going to share the sound. Okay, disable annotation for all the people and share sound. Okay.
Theater.
Can you hear
Theater.
that?
Theater.
Yes, okay, thank you.
Post office. Cafe. Restaurant. Department store. Bakery. Parking lot. Hotel. Bookstore. Museum. Hospital. Apartment building. Clothing store. Grocery.
Okay, okay. Any question about these places?
Department store.
Department store is like a supermarket, but smaller. But a shopping center, sorry, but smaller. And you can find clothes, accessories, well, many things really. Well, Something like that, okay? Es como un centro comercial un poquito más pequeñito. Because remember that in English we have the shopping center, that is a big one, and we have another one that is a mall that is really huge, is big, okay? The mall, and we have the shopping center, and we have the department store. The big one is mall, shopping center, and department store, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, any other question? No? Remember the difference. We have cafe. The cafe is the same as cafeteria, is the place. The coffee is what you drink, and the color is brown, okay? Brown is the color. Coffee, what you drink, and cafe or cafeteria is the place, okay? Okay, very good. So, as you don't have any question, let's continue in here. Okay, who remembers a place? Who
Theater.
remembers? Theater.
Theater.
Excellent. Any
Post.
other person? Or any other place? Ah, okay, this one is easy.
Post office.
Post office, and the other one that is really easy is this one, hotel.
Hotel.
Okay. Any other place?
Restaurant.
Okay.
Museum.
The museum, the restaurant. Okay.
Parking lot.
Is this a restaurant?
Cafe.
Ah,
Cafe. Restaurant.
I always confuse cafe restaurant and the other I don't remember because they are similar in the picture. Okay. What else? What is the name of this one?
Department store.
Department store.
Department store. This one?
Baker.
Bakery.
Bakery.
Bakery. Very good. Very good. This one?
Parking lot.
Parking lot.
Excellent. This one?
Bookstore.
The bookstore. Okay, the bookstore. To buy books, basically. This one?
Museum.
Museum.
This one? No idea. This is easy.
Hospital.
This one?
Building. Apartment.
Okay, listen.
Apartment building.
Apartment building. Okay, is the opposite. Apartment building. And this one?
Clothing store.
Clothing store.
And finally?
Grocery.
Grocery.
Grocery. Okay, very good. Excellent. Very good. You are very good. You have a very good memory, really. So, as I mentioned it to you before, the idea was, okay, in affirmative and negative and questions is like this. If you want to take a screenshot, no problem. Yeah, but you know the theory about this. Okay. Now, okay, let me go back. Let me go back in here. Okay, so as we're going to compare things, okay, we're going to compare things. In here we have a room, okay, this is a room, and we have a room from last week, yeah, and a room now. So present and past again, okay, past and present all the time. So we have an armchair. This is the armchair. What else? A carpet. Carpet is this one, all the one that is in black color. What else? We have sunflowers. Sunflowers are in here. Sunflowers. We have a sofa. The sofa. We have some books. The books are in here. We have a clock. Okay, the clock is in here. What else? We have three pictures in here. And we have a small table. The small table is this one. Okay. So I'm going to erase because I have a lot of lines in here. Okay, perfect. Very good. So the idea is to compare what we have last week and we have now. So the first example is there was a clock on the wall near the window. There was a clock on the wall near the window. What do you think is number 2? Remember, as it is last week, we have to use there was or there were.
There was a sofa.
There was a sofa on the floor. So there was a sofa. Let me see if I can move this. There was a sofa. Really? Like that?
Or maybe there was a
No es a small
carpet.
table.
Sorry, ok, wait a minute. Hagamos una cosa, no se atropellen, levanten la mano. Raise the, ok, María José.
I think there was a carpet on the floor.
María José, you are right. There was a carpet because it's on the floor. Excellent, it's on the floor. Very good, María José. Very good, very good. The next one, number 3. What do you think about number 3? On the wall near the door. Raise the hand, okay? It's much better for me.
There were pictures, 3 pictures.
Okay, there were 3 pictures. There were 3 pictures on the wall near the door. Excellent, excellent, mister. Very good. Number 4.
Profe, ¿puede subirla un momentico?
Yeah. Okay.
There was a small table.
Okay, wait a minute. Michael or Michelle? I don't know how to say that.
Michelle, profe.
Es que tuve un estudiante igualito y se llamaba Michael, entonces discúlpame. Michelle.
Sería, there was a small table.
There was a small table in the middle of the room. Excellent, Michelle. You are right, completely right. Very good, very good. Number 5.
There were some flowers.
There were some flowers. There were some flowers on the table. There were some. Excellent, Mr. What's your name? I don't remember.
Santiago.
Oh, Santiago. Very good, very good. There were some flowers on the table. Yeah, we have to say there were because flowers is in plural. Excellent, very good. Any other person? Number 6. No? No idea about number 6? What is shelves? Maybe that's the problem. What is shelves? Repisas o estantes. Paola.
There were some books on the shelves.
There were some books on the shelves. Excellent, Paola. Very good. There were some books on the shelves. You are very good. Any other?
Me.
Mauricio.
There was an armchair in the corner near the door.
Perfect, mister. That is the armchair in the corner near the door. Very good. And number 8. Ah. Okay. Ah, okay. Remember, we have, okay, let me see. We have the armchair, some books, carpet, some flowers, 3 pictures, a small table. So we only need to work on the sofa.
There was a sofa outside the door.
There was a sofa opposite the door. Perfect. Very good. Any question, people?
No, teacher.
No. Okay. So I'm going to stop this presentation, close it, and please click on the same link to start again our meeting, because you know Zoom, I only have 40 minutes in Zoom, and then I have to cut and cut and cut. Okay. So click again on the same link. En el mismo link los espero, ¿vale?